Growing up, we were actually second generation. We would laugh at our elders, but there was such a charm and such a lovely feeling of family, of heimischkeit, of getting together, of songs, of yontovim, of certain macholim that we would eat, and everybody knew, and we knew who specialized in the really good chopped liver and who made the best tzimis and who did the best, And I was certain that part of the Shabbos ritual was to spread newspaper on the kitchen floor, because that happened every Friday. And as I grew older, I realized it was just my mother's way of protecting the floor after she cleaned the kitchen, so that when she served or people might come in, it was all clean.